Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche Boxter and the scale is 1 by 58, and that's what I love about Tomica. I mean, they don't mention everything as 1 is to 64. So they mention the actual scale here, and this is their main line actually. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So these things are actually sealed in a different way because we normally get Tomicas in a fully plastic sealed like how mini GT comes, that box version. The same way we usually get Tomicas, but this is actually new for me as well. Okay, so just okay, this is printed in China. Fine. Okay, so there is nothing else inside the box, and this is a 2023 casting. Okay, let's take it out. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, I don't remember for how much I bought this one, but see, Tomicas are not available in India officially nowadays. So they launched it during 2023. Again, they pulled back. Now it is not there again. So there are some sites which are selling for the around that 900 price range that I'm talking about premium. So again, I don't remember for how much I bought this because I bought it. I bought like more than 5 to 6 cars at at the same time. So I don't remember the price of it, but okay, so it doesn't have any headlight details, but it has the indicators here, and so it has some interior detailing to it, which is good, and it has tail light details here, and it has some paint issue here. So it has some paint issue here, you can see, and it has this the door handle detailing here, which is really nice. I mean, it is not something generic, it is something related to this particular casting, and I think this is the air intake if I'm not wrong, and these are the older Tomica wheels. I mean, you can see that here very well because the recent Tomica wheels are a bit different actually. So you can see that in that Lamborghini Huracan, that is the mainline wheels nowadays they're using. But even I bought Tomica during 2023, but I didn't get this particular set of wheels on every casting, maybe one I guess. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. The chassis has a bit of detailing to it, which is really nice. And okay, this is 1999. Wow. So I think they copyrighted it on 1999. Okay, the scale is 1 is to 58, and okay, it is not really that heavy. It has suspension. The suspension is actually very uh, I mean loose. I mean, this is very comfortable compared to the Majorette ones, as Majorette ones are a bit more tight on the tighter end. So let's weigh this casting now. 34 grams, not bad. Let's see if it rolls. Usually Tomica doesn't roll really well, so I never bothered about it since I usually collect, that's it. Well, it rolls good. It's not the best, but it does roll good compared to all other Tomica which we unboxed so far in the channel. So I don't see much of a wheel wobble as well. So let's rate this casting. Again, so I totally forgot how Tomica mainlines work. I mean, see, in Hot Wheels we will know that it only has 3 side details and all these kind of things we know, and Majorette we know it has all the details, and Tomica, it is like sometimes they have all the details, sometimes they don't have all the details. I mean, but for this casting, let's rate it in that way. So it doesn't have headlight detailing, so I'm reducing 0.5 for that, and apart from that, so the paint issue here, this might not be there in your car, so I'm neglecting that. So apart from that, I'm not seeing any issue. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Some guy actually came in this area and the dogs started shouting, sorry, barking. Okay, so apart from that, I'm not seeing any issue with the casting. It looks really solid and it looks really good. And this is a very older casting, I can see that. You can see there is some scratches in this plastic piece here. Okay, I don't know if I said this or not. Body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, wheels are plastic. So I would give this car, I mean, 9.5 out of 10 because I'm reducing the point 0.5 for this headlight detailing. So it does have tail light detailing, so but they missed out. So thinking that the reason I'm reducing that point 0.5, thinking that Tomica missed to do this, but rest of the Tomicas has all the sides. I mean, like both headlight and tail lights. That's what I am thinking so far. I totally forgot. Maybe next couple of castings we will get to know. But this is mainline, but rest of the things which we are going to unbox are specific to an event or specific to some that anniversary edition and all. So let's see how that fares. But uh, personally, if you love Porsche, this is for you. And Porsche Boxster, these are not easy to get nowadays. uh, if you are able to get this one, my suggestion would be go out and get it, because you might not have these kind of issues which I am having. These are like paint issues and all. But apart from that, the casting is very solid and it is very nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.